coming out of town the other day, I heard this ticking noise, and I stopped, looked, and I saw this screw in the front tire. Now usually what I do is I just call somebody and change the tire, because I used those puncture repair kits so many times. I never got them to work. Actually, I got it to work once, but I had to insert like 3 in there, and I never trusted it, and so I just had to change the tire. Now professionally it should be plugged from the inside, but on a Grom with the speed that it does, I'm happy if I can actually repair it. So went and ordered a dyno plug. So this is the whole thing, guys. Now this is not sponsored by them. I paid for it. I've never used it. So if you're seeing this video, it means it worked, because if it doesn't work, I'm not gonna show it. It's not the type of person I am. So the tool is, you open this at the top, and then you have all these tools. This one is to prepare the thing if you wanted to, but apparently you don't need to. And then there is a air stop tool here, so when you remove the screw or nail, you put that until you get ready, and then the magic happens here. So this is the tool that you insert. It's got a brass tip, and if I open this, you can see the material in there, which is the rubber that will actually seal the hole. They look like this here. So now we're going to do it as they recommend, which is, let me just put this back, which is basically using the air stopper tool in here, remove the thing, and then get this thing ready. Well, actually I'm going to get this thing ready first. So we close that. Shut up. And just stop the air compressor. So now the tool is ready. There's the air stopper. Let's remove this screw. Oh yeah, it is deep. Unplug the air stopper. Oh, it worked. Stop the air. There's the screw. It's not that long actually, but it managed to puncture it. So now we remove this, and it has to be at the angle that you the screw or nail went in, and then just push it all the way in, pull it out. That brass gets stuck in there, and then it seals it. All the way in, pull it out, and there you go. Then trim it. Try and listen. Nothing. Oh, let's top it up with air. It's 2.0 or 29 psi. That's 2.0 for now. That's incredible. Let me just put some water on it to see if there's any bubbles. Nothing. Honestly guys, this is the first time ever after all these years of riding that a puncture repair tool works with me. And then if you want to have that one with you, you just take one of these, slot it in, and then it's ready to go. And they give you another 2 in here anyway. I forgot to say that if you are on the road, obviously you need a portable compressor or these CO2 cartridges. So that air stop thing comes in handy, because then you'll need to use less of these. And obviously you get to a gas station, petrol station, and then you can adjust it.